How do rolling releases Linux distros compare to fixed? Imagine having a computer system that always stays up to date without needing big upgrades or reinstallations. That's what the difference between rolling releases and fixed releases Linux distributions is all about. When you're choosing a Linux operating system, understanding how these two types handle updates can really help you decide which one fits your needs best. Let's start with rolling releases distributions. These are like a never-ending software update stream. As soon as a new version of an application, a driver, or even the Linux kernel is ready and tested, it becomes available to users through regular updates. You don't wait for a new version of the entire operating system. Instead, your system keeps evolving with the latest features and improvements. Examples include Arch Linux and OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. These distros are perfect if you want to stay on the cutting edge and have the newest tools at your fingertips. But keep in mind, because updates happen often, sometimes bugs or compatibility issues can pop up. That's why they're often preferred by more experienced users who are comfortable troubleshooting. Now, fixed releases distributions work differently. They follow a set schedule, releasing a new version of the entire system every few months or years. For example, Ubuntu and Debian releases new versions every 6 months or every 2 years. Between these releases, the system only gets security patches and critical bug fixes. This approach prioritizes stability and predictability. When a new version is out, you can upgrade your entire system with confidence that it has been thoroughly tested. Fixed releases distros are easier for beginners because they come with user-friendly installers, default settings, and less frequent major changes. They're often used in environments where stability is more important than having the latest software, like servers or business computers. In terms of user experience, rolling releases distros tend to appeal to users who like to experiment and customize their systems. They often requiring more technical knowledge because updates can sometimes cause issues if not managed carefully. Fixed releases distros, on the other hand, are more straightforward. They are designed to be reliable and easy to maintain, making them a good choice for everyday use or for those new to Linux. When it comes to practical use, if you want the newest software and don't mind occasional troubleshooting, a rolling releases distro is a great pick. It's especially popular among developers and tech enthusiasts. But if you need a stable system that just works without surprises, a fixed releases distro is better. It's widely used on servers, in enterprise settings, or by users who prefer a set-it-and-forget-it approach. So, whether you're installing a Linux distribution for the first time or upgrading an existing system, knowing these differences helps you choose the right type. If you want to install a Linux distro that stays current without reinstalling, a rolling releases might be your best bet. If stability and predictability are your priorities, then a fixed releases system will serve you well. Both types have their strengths, and understanding how they compare makes your Linux experience smoother and more enjoyable.